Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. This property is an investor's dream. Located in Sydenham Gardens, one of the coveted communities in St. Catherine. This home was designed in 4 sections, each section with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, spread over 2 floors, each with its own entry and complete with a nice airy balcony. This 8 bedroom, 4 bathroom house can also be easily converted into a single family home as well, with ample space to house a large family, or maybe partially rented so that one can earn while living. The possibilities are endless to convert this to a forever home or an investment property. It is close to all major amenities and 5 minutes away from Spanish Town Square and highways. The land area is approximately 10,000 square feet, and some other features include ceramic tile, ceiling fans, grilled, fully fenced, fully walled, view of the mountain, central location, family oriented, low maintenance yard, recreation nearby, quiet area, landscaped, seniors oriented, and pets are allowed in this community. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 33 million or US $214,000. Now, let's take a quick look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.